Zoom Air or something, cushioning. Yeah, the upper is feels like a neoprene, but it also feels like a suede, and it has this gold swoosh. I don't know what it says at the back, but it has the Titan logo, the one with like a lightning that was held by someone's hand. Yeah, so keep it there. And here's another pair. Boom. Yeah, it has the typical LeBron logo at the back. Yeah. Oh, is this a defect? Oh no. It has a factory defect, but I don't mind. I'll still wear this one. Not for bowling, but more on lifestyle because I'm not a bowler. I don't play basketball. Yeah. So this one retails for 8,545 pesos. Roughly, I think almost 200, 180, 160 dollars. Yeah. So let's close this one. If you guys know how to clean this one, it's like a mold or some sort of white color. I don't know how to clean it. Yeah. Yeah, aside from the speckled midsole gold swoosh and some writings at the back, as you can see at the tongue part, it has like this zipper material. I guess it's more on a foot lockdown, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just an additional design. For me, it's just an additional design because I really don't play basketball. But when you open it, it has, what are these? Traffic signs? Manila, high voltage. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of LeBron, but I'm just glad that a local retailer store here in the Philippines is having a collaboration with Nike. So this is more like a remembrance or a token. It's a milestone for the Filipinos as well. So hopefully more retail stores that are based here in the Philippines will have a collaborations with Nike, Adidas, and some big brands out there. So yeah, that's the first one. And then moving on to the second one. This is a size 5. There you go. Air Jordan 1 High OG in women's. So, you guys know what this is? This is the black satin Jordan 1. I mean, is it the black too? Yeah, or red too, whatever. But it is a satin material. It looks great. Yeah, look at that. The leather material is not that premium, I suppose, compared to the shattered backboards and some other Jordan ones. But the back part is made of satin material. Can you hear that? Yeah, I think that's the only oh, And the Jordan logo here is like, I don't know, is this plastic? No, not metal, but it's like, it's not stitched. Yeah, it's like a pin that was pinned down. Yeah, it has the regular Jordan 1 look and all. The only difference is that on this back part, it is made of satin material. Other than that, there's nothing more special about this pair, aside from the fact that it has a high resale value. So this is a size 5 women's. If in case you're interested, I don't know, PM me. But I don't know how or how much I'll sell this one. But yeah, so these are what I've ordered from Titan. I've managed to get this one via their Titan app. You can check it at Google Play Store. I think iOS app also has it. Yeah, I was just lucky because I think they didn't really announce that it will be released as well on the app itself. I just managed to search like Jordan 1 satin, I think, or just bread toe on the search bar of their Titan app, and then the search result came up, and then I saw a size 5, and then I just immediately added it to the cart and then proceeded to check out. In their website, I think they now have like a queue wherein you'll get a number. You'll see how many people are still waiting aside from you. And I think due to Philippines' slow internet connection, it's a bit hard to beat others with fast internet connection in terms of queuing up first. So yeah, unlike Adidas raffle, Titan is using queue. Yeah, I think that's also fair because I think Titan is improving their online releases. I just hope that the servers that they are using will be more capable and suitable for shock drops and for the heavy load of consumers that wants to buy their product. But yeah, if you're still watching this, thank you. I appreciate your support. I hope you leave some comments. This is just one take. There are really no edits here. I think I'll just include some music or background music on YouTube, but yeah, as of now as well, no face reveal yet. So yeah, take a look at this. Yeah, thanks guys, I hope you will subscribe. If in case I'll get 1,000 subscribers, I think I'll just treat you on a pair of sneakers. I think I have a random giveaway. Yeah, time to give back to those who support. Thank you guys. Up to the next unboxing and one take video.